Number 2. The Samsung Q60C. My choice for the best QLED TV for PS5. The Samsung Q60C is a strong competitor in the QLED TV market for PS5 gaming. It harnesses the power of QLED technology, known for producing vivid colors and deep contrasts, which is especially beneficial for the graphically intensive games on the PlayStation 5. QLED's capability shines in the Q60C, bringing out a spectrum of colors that make gaming visuals more dynamic and engaging. This technology ensures that colors are not just bright, but also accurate, enhancing the overall visual quality of games. Now, whether you're immersed in a lush, colorful environment or in the midst of a high-intensity action sequence, the Q60C makes every scene pop with life and vibrancy. Samsung's Quantum Dot technology elevates the color reproduction of the Q60C. It enables the TV to display a broader color spectrum, which means games not only look more vibrant, but also more realistic. The Q60C is equipped with features designed well for gaming. Auto Game Mode optimizes the TV's settings for gaming, enhancing responsiveness and overall gameplay experience. Additionally, the inclusion of AMD FreeSync technology reduces screen tearing and stuttering, which is vital for a smooth gaming experience. Now, in terms of design, the Q60C is a fit for most gaming setups. Its low-key profile and minimal bezel enhance the focus on the game itself, reducing distractions. The build quality is sturdy, reflecting Samsung's commitment to durability, making the Q60C not just a performance-centric TV, but also a lasting investment. The user interface of the Q60C is intuitive, making it easy to navigate its various features and streaming services. Powered by Samsung's Tizen OS, the TV provides a seamless and integrated experience, offering quick access to a whole range of streaming apps and services. So overall, the Samsung Q60C stands out as a top QLED choice for PS5 gaming. Its combination of vibrant QLED display, high refresh rate, gaming-focused features, and user-friendly interface make it an ideal choice for gamers looking to enhance their console experience.